Oh boy, package. So yeah, we've reached number 50 right here in this package. So I want to make this generator pretty quick because I have things to do. So I'm going to get into it. So open it up. I've never seen this before. Taped foam to the power cable. This off of there. Oh, well, I mean, it worked, so nice. Here's the radio itself. So that's 261 again, as you can see. You know something different? Yeah. Now let's get it open more again, so after I get all this tape off of here. Yeah. Antenna came off a hook sometime during this all. Not sure why. Let's pop that back on there. Yeah, as you can see, this is a 2003 261. Good looking service. They sound way better than my 05. You know we don't want the alarm on. Typically this is from September of 2003. Thank you for focusing. Okay, I seen there was a battery in the listing. Nope, it does not come with a battery. Good. So it's, yeah, it's further at the bottom. Both my 261s came with batteries. What is this packaging, by the way? What is this? Wait, did I... I'm gonna pause this for now. Alright, I finally got it. So, let's go ahead and get this in here. The battery door on my way for a sec. And 3, 2, 1. There's one. Sec. No, hold on. Rushy. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Boom. There we go. Channel 7 available. That's normal. Alright. Stick that in there. There. Time to see if I'm about to blast myself. Oh no. Is that what you already said? Okay. Let's guess.
Cloudy with showers likely with a chance of thunderstorms in the afternoon. Highs in the upper 70s.
Cool, I don't have to deal with that then. Okay, the battery's fully charged. Wait, we already did channel. Oh, wait, it's up here. Alright, current time is 11:16. Okay. Alright, I'll set this all off. Goodbye. Peace. Actually, before I go. Location. Put that all there. Alright, I'm gonna set up all the alert blocking off of here, so I will see y'all later. Peace.